Cremation ashes tattoo near me. Giving clients the ability to get their cremation ash tattoo near me with our free worldwide delivery. Tattoos are now commonly seen among grandparents, parents, doctors, lawyers, or even priests. In older times, tattoos have often had a negative stigma attached to them throughout society, such in the case of mom's opinion, for example, social perception of body art, and tattoos often stem from pseudo-stereotyping of tattooed individuals. However, tattoos today can be used to tell life stories, self-expression, and as a claim to personal identity. The explosion of tattoos, and the full acceptance of them being a personal expression, now means every step in society have tattoos, and are not frowned upon. From top executives, doctors, to your local MP, tattoos are now seen as a liberation of your personality and individualism. What are cremation tattoos? Cremation tattoos are, first of all, a personal expression of love and an embrace of the memory of someone who has died. Like other memorial tattoos, they often consist of a picture, a proverb, or even a portrait of a deceased person. The difference between a cremation tattoo and a memorial tattoo is that a memorial tattoo is just a design that has a symbolic meaning to the person in regards to the lost loved one. A cremation ink, ashes tattoo is where the beloved has the actual cremation ashes of the lost one infused into high-quality sterile ink. Therefore, the ashes are actually a part of the tattoo and a permanent part of the person wearing it. This process requires an extra bit of care from a dedicated team of professionals. Cremation ink are experts in this area. Getting a tattoo with commemorative ink is becoming more sought out by the minute. Cremation ink have the most experience in this bespoke field, and their demand is growing quickly. They are award-winning tattooists themselves, and have over 10 years' experience in working with cremation ashes and tattoos. Tattooing with a cremation ashes ink. The death of a loved one is one of the traumatic experiences one could have. However, there are many ways by which you can keep the memories of your loved ones alive, and one of the ways is getting tattoos with ashes. This might seem offbeat to a couple of you, but luckily, it can be possible with the professional help of cremation ink. This is one of the most personalized ways to remember your loved ones forever in your memories, and also keep them with you forever physically. Is getting a cremation ashes tattoo near me safe? Yes, it is very safe to use when it has gone through the processes we use at Cremation Inc. The procedures and sterilization protocols that Cremation Inc. incorporate means you have no chance of any issues with regards to the ashes infused ink. The vital thing to remember is that the ashes should be taken care of appropriately in a sterile situation while being blended with the tattoo ink. We remove all heavy metals, medicinal remnants, and other contaminants that are still present in cremation ashes. Add to that our other refining processes and multi-layer sterilization procedures, and you get the best quality and safe tattoo combined with your loved one's ashes. With us being award-winning tattoo artists ourselves, we make sure that even when the ashes are infused into the high-quality ink, it behaves and heals exactly the same as normal tattoo ink, so your artist will have no problems in its use and application. Getting a dedicatory tattoo, using your loved one's cremated remains, is the ultimate respect for your loved one. This tattoo infused with ashes, you will take to your own grave and beyond, keeping them close forever. Cremation ashes tattoo near me with Cremation Ink. Cremation Ink is the company that offers clients the ability to infuse tattoo ink with their loved one's ashes to have permanent reminders of their loved ones tattooed into them. When you make an order, we send you a kit to place the required amount of ashes in, a tablespoon's worth per bottle, and you ship the ashes to us. Once we receive the ashes, they go through various different processes, including removing all medicinal and heavy metal elements, as well as other contaminants. We molecular match the sizing of the cremation ashes to your desired pigment color, and through the whole process, treat everything with ongoing multi-layer sterilization protocols. Once combined with the pigment, we produce a high-quality tattoo ink that is truly infused with your loved one's ashes. Safety protocols and contamination controls are always followed. Each order is assigned a unique number that allows our team of dedicated professionals to track every bottle rigorously. All of these precautions allow for Cremation Inc. to ensure its customers that every bottle sent out is safe to use and is their loved one's ashes only. Any ashes that are not used in the process will be sent back to you at the same time as your chosen Infused ink. We treat your loved one's ashes with the dignity and respect they deserve. They deserve the best, so they deserve Cremation Inc. Find out more at cremationinc.com.